Your car isn't breaking down. You are breaking it. There are little mistakes you make every day, and over time, they turn into massive expenses. Now I'm going to show you who has been suffering in silence. The engine. I'm freezing. I am your engine. My oil hasn't started circulating yet. What do? You floor the gas the second you start me up. The parts are dry. Friction is sky high. You are slowly grinding me away. Wait 30 seconds. Then drive gently. The fuel pump. I'm burning up. I am the fuel pump. I use fuel to stay cool. But you? You're always driving with an empty tank. I'm sucking in air. I'm overheating. I'm struggling. One day I'll just stop, and you'll be stranded. Don't let the tank drop below a quarter. On the tire? Look at me. I am your tire. I'm completely bald. I have zero grip left, and yet you keep driving. A single drop of rain, and control is gone. This isn't just wear and tear. This is a hazard. Replace me. The brake disc. You're spraying me with water while I'm hot. I am the brake disc. I'm glowing with heat. When cold water hits me, I go into shock. I warp. The vibrations start. That shaking you feel when you hit the brakes? Oh, that's me. Wait a little while. Let me cool down. The ignition switch. Enough. I am the ignition switch. You've hung 10 different keys on me. You're constantly pulling me down. With every pothole. With every jolt. My internals are wearing out. One day I won't turn. I won't start. Use only the car key. Your car is giving you signals. But you aren't listening. Small mistakes. Big costs. Fix these habits. Or you'll pay the price. Follow for more life hacks.